And maybe for somebody who has not used remote simultaneous interpretation, could you explain a little bit more about how it works? And you already mentioned some of the benefits. It's more cost effective because we can let go of the booths, the travel, there's no technician that needs to be on site. So how do we typically deliver the remote simultaneous interpretation? Where does the interpreter sit?
Yeah, it's a great question. So we have a really great database of remote interpreters. They're located worldwide. They go through a pretty stringent vetting process when they join Interprenet. And so they go through that just to make sure that they're using the right equipment. They're situated in a good environment that's kind of sound isolated, as well as having a very stable Ethernet connection. And that kind of allows us to leverage global experts as opposed to being tied down to a single geography. So they're usually based out of remote offices or their own homes. They'll be using our cloud-based platform. So really what that means on the plates of our meeting organizers is that we need to have eyes and ears inside of the room. Sometimes certain teams are able to take care of those things like, getting a camera, getting a microphone, those kinds of feeds over to us, in which case it makes our footprint quite small within their venues. The interpreters can provide their services remotely, and then the folks inside of the room can use a smartphone, a device, a laptop, tablet, things like that to listen to the interpretation. It's all in real time. And in other cases, if you have international delegates who are going to prefer to be using headset receivers, we can also do that while leveraging the same remote setup kind of virtually. So we can have that same user experience for the audience members and the panelist speakers, making sure they're all really engaged in the conversation.